going. Look here, hair sticking up like Dennis the Menace. Hey everybody, I'm Randy Jones, Incredible Tiny Homes, and we are in our solar workshop. Well, it's not even a workshop. This is an assembly position. I've got Ashley here and got Billy down there, and we're going to walk you through and show you exactly what happens. Lucas will be up here with us in a minute, but I wanted to show you what Ashley. Somebody said we don't hire ladies. Ashley, are you a girl?
I am. I went from cleaning supplies to having my own set of tools.
Oh my gosh! Look at you. So what are you getting into right now?
Actually, I'm about to put these on here and these wires, and I'm about to actually hook up male and females, which is the plugs. Sorry, guys.
Man, you've learned all this stuff, ain't you?
Yeah, I have.
Well, what now? Oh, you said, all right, so these wires inside here, what? Okay, so what is all this stuff? Do you know what you're doing?
This actually has a male right here, and these are actually plug-ins. They actually hook up like these.
So you're going to put plugs on them things. I got you.
Yes, and these are what these are for. I actually have some male and females.
You got your own pouch, don't you?
I do.
Aw.
I actually have the male and females that
Right.
I'm going to use
Okay.
to actually put up some more male and females, and they're right in here in these little boxes out here. And
Okay, that's your.
these are actually
All right.
those, and these
And what are those for?
These are for this whenever you get ready to hook it up.
That's for your solar panels, isn't it? Yep, I remember those.
Panels.
All right.
And this, what I've done on the inside, is hook this up for the solar tube.
Right. So we're going to walk through this, and we're going to show you the process. Just wanted to show you what Billy's doing, what Ashley's doing. Billy, are you tearing it up?
Nope.
Nope. What are you doing?
Putting it together.
You're like some high tech. You got even a stool you're sitting on, man.
Yep.
So now you put those green, black, and white
Yeah.
wires in there, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Man, that fits in there tight, don't it?
Yep. I love it. I like when they get like that.
So you put the wires inside here. Do you have to loosen that up and then tighten it?
Yeah. Like this.
Okay. And then you got a certain length of wire that this has to be?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm about ready to get that right now.
Look at that fancy tool.
Mm-hmm. I love it, little fancy tool.
Ah. So what is that doing? It's cutting that conduit?
Yeah. Cut the conduit.
All right. I see. Breaking that off. And you didn't know anything about solar.
Nope.
Nope. And you've been trained to do all this.
Yep.
Ain't you something? Now what are you doing that for? So you're going to cut and use the scrap for over there?
Yep. Going around.
You're lost for words today, ain't you, buddy?
Been busy. I'm a busy bee.
Well, that, you know what, Bill, that shows me you're concentrating, buddy. I mean, there's a lot to this that people don't realize, isn't there?
Yes, they are.
And it's serious because you're dealing with electric. Everything's got to fit. And it's got to be spot on, man. I got you. Well, I'll be darned. You've got all your tools. Here's Ashley.
And fun fact.
What's this big guy doing over
He's running the solar
Hooking up
panels.
a test so that they can test the panels
there? Okay.
before we put them in the house.
Hey, tell everybody who you are, man.
I'm Travis. I'm one of
Travis.
the electricians here.
Yep, he's new on the crew, and I'm killing it. All I hear is good things about him. So those wires are going where, buddy?
They're going to go straight down and then out the wall to 2 solar panels that we're going to put outside
Got it.
so that they can test these things before we come up and get them and put them in the house.
So we've got a lithium battery here. So they're going to hook these wires to those wires, which will be hooked to a solar panel. Then we hooked up to a battery. Then we can also hook up here. We're going to have an AC unit that we can simulate like it's the grid hooked up to the grid. and that'll be able to show it. And then we got to program these things to make sure that this is programmable for the load and whatever else Lucas says. Here he comes. I am not versed on how all that works. We just know what we know, don't we, Ashley?
Yes. And I haven't been doing this long at all. I'm still learning.
Oh, you're doing great, sweetheart.
And fun fact about these are they're color coded. There's
Okay.
clear, there's white, green, and black.
Okay. And then that's the color of the wires that go in there, right?
And these are what we hook this one up to. And then I'm going to do another one for this one.
Right.
And this plugs in.
As the, okay.
And this is color coded too.
Gotcha. Man, you got to have some strong fingers.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got beat up and everything, but this is a learning process.
Yeah. Look at you run that drill.
I know.
You do
I'm
great.
really proud of myself.
You went from a mop to a drill. That's awesome.
I know. I went from cleaning supplies to a drill.
Aw, look at you. That's awesome, man. And then, yeah, go ahead.
These right here
Yeah.
goes inside of this.
Oh,
Get this
yeah.
off. The wires actually.
Now you got to skin that rubber off them wires? Okay.
Yes, and then you just put them in here and you tighten them up. And then put this one right back over it. It's in there.
Now, how many of these can you do in a day, you think?
On my good days, I can do like 2.
2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes these are the hardest part is putting them in.
Yeah. I seen Billy over there. He was shoving it in there, man.
Yeah. I done that and I tore my hands up.
I bet.
And this right here will get you. It got me plenty of times.
Look at that. And there's a certain length. You don't want to go too much or too little on that, do you?
I learned that too. Size really doesn't matter on this.
Now, do you like doing this more than cleaning?
I do.
Yeah.
I do. I'm so much happier now. It's that y'all actually trust me enough to do this.
Yeah. Well, they've trained you, watched it, and then you know what's cool is that there's a check system on here to make sure you did everything right. You know, that's what this is about, to make sure everything's checked out and it's working good.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's neat. I mean, we got a lot going on here. No, you're good, man. Everybody wants to see how this solar's done and how much is involved. I mean, all this process has been, man, it kind of been invented because of our solar that we're putting together for everybody. Then Brian, look at that's Brian's office. He's going to be he's in charge of the Incredibox information. So he's our air traffic controller up here for our Incredibox information, all from the contract to being it picked up again. Yep. All right, Billy. Man, there's a lot to this, buddy.
Yeah, they are.
You got to keep your mind on what you're doing, don't you, man?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. What do you do with the other times?
Just got a dirty mind.
Oh, stop! What are you talking about? You're a mess. Gosh. All right.
Y'all, it's always here on the job.
Well, we're going to come back and do another video showing the whole process from building one of these and then how we test it out once we get them panels up and stuff. And then I'll have Lucas run us through that. You are killing it, girl. All right. Where'd Ace go? There is Ace. Well, there you have it, everybody. Let me put this back here. And I love this. This whole thing. Look at you.
No, that's wrong. Right there.
I think I could be a star now.
You think you can?
Yeah.
I believe. I know you
can.
can. Yeah.
I'm thinking about going to California and being Miss Hollywood.
No, you can't go anywhere. We need you here. That's right.
I already took off now.
All right, you're fine, buddy. You can get in on there.
I've
All right.
got 4 stories. I'll be the porn star in here.
Watch it, Billy. Stay down there. All right, everybody. We'll see you.
Kind of star,
Bye.
Billy.